CropScan. Know your grain, know your paddock. Next Instruments brings you the next generation of near-infrared analyzers. The CropScan 3000H on-combine analyzer is the future for on-farm analysis of protein, oil and moisture in grains. The CropScan 3000H is a near-infrared analyzer that can be fitted to any make of combine harvester. We have systems fitted to Case, New Holland, Claas, John Deere and Massey Ferguson. The specifically designed optics and sampling system is ideally suited to the harsh environments that combine harvesters work in. No matter if it's heat, vibration or dust, the 3000H can handle it. The CropScan 3000H consists of three components: the remote sampling head, the NIR spectrometer and the touchscreen display. Grain from the clean grain elevator flows into the remote sample head where the NIR light illuminates the trapped grain. The transmitted light is carried back through the fibre optic cable to the diode array spectrometer located in the cabin. The touchscreen display computes the protein, oil and moisture, reads the GPS coordinates from the GPS receiver and presents the data in tables, graphs and a real-time paddock map. The remote sample head takes grain from the upside of the clean grain elevator and fills the sample chamber where NIR light is transmitted through the sample and into the fibre optic cable. The lower flap opens, flowing analysed grain into the downward side of the clean grain elevator. The lower flap then closes and a new sample of grain is collected in the remote sample head, where the process is repeated every 10 seconds. The 10.4-inch touchscreen display is mounted inside the cabin where the operator can see the protein, oil and moisture data and the paddock maps in real time. Farmers can now make the decisions on whether to store the grain on farm, truck it to the silo or blend the grain as it's being harvested. The CropScan 3000H analysis software displays data in 4 screens to make interpretation of results easier. The Trend Plot tab displays line plot of the last 20 readings. The Paddock Map tab plots each protein and oil reading in relation to the GPS coordinate. The protein and oil data is displayed according to the colour bar legend shown on the screen. When the outloading auger is initiated, the CropScan 3000H software stops recording data and saves the data as a bin average. The Bin Data tab calls up the bin by bin averages since the system was turned on. The CropScan 3000H installation kit provides everything needed to install the system, or a Next Instruments specially trained staff can do it for you. In under a day, you can be up and running, mapping your paddock. The pre-calibrated systems are ready to use once the system is installed. Software-driven auto-calibration routine aligns the CropScan 3000H to your local receival silo or end customer's laboratory. Next Instruments installs a remote access software into the touchscreen display along with a Wi-Fi connector so that it can be connected directly to the system from our factory. With the instant remote access over the net to the CropScan 3000H, we can download new calibrations, make adjustments to operating systems, or download new software even while the header is working. 8 CropScan 3000H on-combine analyzers were installed in 2013, 3 in Western Australia, 2 in South Australia, 2 in Victoria and 1 in New South Wales. Each system was installed by Next Instruments and supported through the remote access software throughout the harvest. Over 250,000 samples of grain were analysed through 8 CropScan 3000H analysers during harvest. These are some of the comments from the CropScan 3000H users last year.